Hi everyone, Marine here for Sunny Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today's card features the gorgeous Bursting Hearts die, and as you can see, I made another shaker card. I'm really obsessed with those cards at the moment, they're so fun to make. So this is the Bursting Hearts die. I also picked this cute bear couple and my sentiment from Bear Hugs. I stamped this cute image using an alcohol marker-friendly black ink, and I colored it using my graphite brush markers. Don't mind the other bear and the balloon, it was my second option for this card, but I ended up using the bear couple. So the coloring was pretty quick. Next I moved on to the background and I started by cutting two Bristol panels, both of them measuring 5.5 by 4.25 inches. And I created the same ink blending on both panels using cracked pistachio, peacock feathers, blueprint sketch and chipped sapphire distressings. I applied the lightest one, cracked pistachio, in the center, and then I applied the other inks from the lightest to the darkest towards the edges of the paper. So here we have two identical panels. I set one of them aside for later, and on the other one, I used the bursting hearts die to cut 1,000,000 hearts out of the panel. I just taped the die to the paper and sent it to my die cutting machine. Next, I created the pocket to make the shaker. I took a plastic packaging from my stash and I cut the 4 edges to remove the seams and get one single plastic sheet. I added double-sided tape on the 4 edges, and then I placed the other panel right in the middle and I cut the 4 corners of the plastic sheet. If you haven't seen my previous edge-to-edge shaker card videos, cutting the corners off makes the final card flat and not bulky at the corners. Next, I flipped the panel over and I made sure that it was centered in the middle of the plastic sheet. And then I attached 3 of the 4 tabs, and while attaching those tabs, I'm not pulling on the plastic. I'm just folding those tabs gently and not too tight. If it's too tight, the shaker accessories won't have enough room to move inside the pocket. Next, through the last open tab, I added a whole bunch of clear jewels inside the pocket. I flipped the panel over and shook the pocket to spread the jewels all over the pocket. And finally, I folded the last tab, again not too tight, to close the pocket. Next, to me, the best way to stick paper to plastic is to use glue dots. So I added some at the back of the bursting hearts panel and I attached that panel on the shaker pocket. Off screen, I white heat embossed my sentiment, sending you winter hugs on black cardstock. I trimmed it into a small banner and I attached it in the middle of the panel using foam squares with the cute bear couple above it. As always, I added highlights on the images using a white gel pen and I attached my panel on a light blue card base. And that's it! I hope that you like this new frosty and wintry shaker card. I will be back next week with a new Sunny Studio card and video. Thanks for stopping by and have a very nice day. Bye!